something.
Now?
Yeah.
All right, so all these things can break very easily, but if you give it some sort of platform and cut the platform the same size as the box, it shouldn't shake around too much. You do like a reverse tape so it don't stick to it. But if you put it in with just the peanuts, it can still maybe move, and these things are super fragile. So I put this in there to keep it stable, then I add the peanuts so it doesn't shake around as much. You know, you could even cut holes in the box at the bottom, slits, and run around. Then you might not even need the peanuts, but we're gonna use peanuts because it's pretty stable on that platform. Right to the top. So we're gonna just close it. Maybe cut a little. So we don't put pressure on that. This could go in the peak. If you have a peak, up in the peak, so nothing, no box sits on top. Should be good. Don't top. There you go. That's how you pack a lladro.